Do not start affiliate marketing or digital marketing if you think you're going to make $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 in 2 weeks. I'm here to let you know the person that's telling you that is just making an income claim that may not be true. So if you want the truth, go ahead and hit that follow button and save this video, because I'm going to tell you the exact steps you need to take to get started to start making your first $500. Now, that is not going to happen in the first 2 weeks, because when you start a digital marketing or an affiliate marketing course, you have to understand what you're doing. You're going to have to understand the different verbiage like sales funnels, email campaigns. You are not going to get in this and overnight have everything set up. It's probably going to take you 2 to 3 weeks just to get the foundation to your business set up. I am going to tell you it is possible for you to make $500 a month starting out. After you make your first $500, because you're showing up every day, you're being consistent, you're talking to your target audience, you can then turn that into making $1,000 a month, $5,000 a month, and scaling that business. I'm also going to tell you, you're probably not going to see that until you hit like month 6, 7, or 8. So if you want the real deal and you're really interested in learning how to make money online, again, save this video, hit this follow button, because I'm explaining the exact steps that you need to take to start a digital marketing business in 2024 so you can start earning your first $500 a month.